Om Sairam Jaydevi.
Om Sairam Rahul.
Hope you're enjoying your stay in Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah, Kuala Lumpur has been amazing thanks to nice people like you around me. Loving the place. Thank you.
So we have another email for you, Jaydevi. This particular email is from a gentleman named Sandeep in Singapore. He's got a question. So he sent an email saying, Didi, I'm going through a very difficult time in my life. And despite the fact that I'm always praying to Baba, why do I feel he's not around? I hope he's listening to me, Didi. Is a question.
Sandeep, right?
Yes.
Sandeep, one thing is for sure that Baba is a part of your soul. It is not possible that what you say is not reaching him or not listening, he's not listening to it. Everything is reaching Baba. Every single prayer is reaching Baba. That goes without saying. It is only that because we are surrounded by so many difficulties, we start feeling he's not around. And I keep telling everybody challenges are good times. They are not times to be sad in, they are not times to get broken in, they are times to get stronger. There are times when you're connecting so beautifully to your Baba, you're praying more. You yourself said, he's saying that I'm praying more to my Baba.
Yes.
And in good times, we really don't pray as much as we pray in bad times. So the time when you're more connected to our Baba has to be a good time, it can't be a bad time. And also, like gold has to pass through fire to get cleansed. When we are going through our fire, we are actually getting cleansed, purified, brighter, more vibrant. So again, it is a good time when there are difficulties. And talking about Baba not listening to you, Sandeep, I'll share a small story that is coming to my mind now. This is about a soldier that was fighting a war, Rahul. And they had a large army, but they were defeated. And the enemy was far more powerful, so they just came into them, and it came to a time where they had to flee, fled away from there to save their lives. So all the handful of them that were left out started running and fleeing to save their lives, and nobody wants to perish in war. So they all got separated, and this one soldier that I'm talking about happened to reach a cave. He just prayed to God and he says, God save me, I don't want to die. And he got inside the cave. And very soon he heard the footsteps of the enemy soldiers coming towards him. And he says, God, you're not listening. I'm praying. God, where are you? You're not listening. And God did not appear. He kept saying, God, please appear, save me. But instead, a small spider appeared there. And that spider started making a little web somewhere at the entrance of the cave. Now this man looked at the spider and said, God, I asked you to come. I didn't ask for a small spider. He can't protect me and save me. But anyhow, God did not appear. The spider anyways very peacefully, like it does, built its web around there. And by then the enemy reached there. So when the enemy came there, they were about to come inside with their big guns into the cave, when one soldier from the enemy's army said, oh, there is a cobweb here. Nobody could have gone inside. So I think this place we can leave without checking. So they did not check it, and they just left the space, and he got saved. Many years later, this soldier wrote a book about his experiences, and he said a beautiful statement there that when God is around, a spider web can become a stone wall, and when he's not there, the stone wall can be as weak as a spider's web. So that goes for Sandeep also. Sandeep, our vision as human beings is very limited. We only see as much as these human eyes can see. His vision is large, vast, beyond the seven seas, beyond everything. He's watching over you, and he's surely built his little web around you, which is like a stone wall, which will protect you from every problem. Don't give up. Don't even think once. Losing faith is the worst thing we can do in difficult times. Hold on to him and say, Baba, I know you're there. I know it's not possible you don't listen to me, because he is there. And this is the stage of surrender each of us has to reach, when we trust him so much that we stop questioning what happens. When we trust him so much that good comes or bad comes, I accept with a smile and with grace. So I think that is where each of us in this journey has to reach. That is how this soul which has come to this earth will evolve and be able to merge in Baba's side when we go to the other side. So knock at his door and be sure, rest assured, the door is going to open, Sandeep. Stay at it and don't give up. And those little webs that he's carving around you are all his blessings in disguise. You may not be seeing them, but I promise you they will hold you instead, and good and tight in his light. So all the very best, Sandeep. And thank you, Rahul. That's a very important question. I think a lot of people will get help with this.
Oh, that's an amazing answer. And I'm sure, Sandeep, I think your confidence would have gone up. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Rahul. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Sai Om Sai